Everybody, welcome to Gordon's RV Travel and Adventure. Today is going to be an adventure day and we are going to be exploring what's called Wildwood Park here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So joining us here on this adventure is none other than Lucy. Okay, let's go get this going here. See if we can find some turtles, maybe see some exotic birds. And we're going to do the first trail here, which is a mile long. It's called the Towpath Trail. And pets must be on leash. And Lucy is on a leash. Okay, let's get this thing going. Look at this one here. What's in this hole here? Don't see anything in there. Here's a close-up view of these flowers. there's a little ramp down here. It sort of reminds me of a boat ramp, but I know it's not a boat ramp. The water is not too deep for a boat here. But it comes down here to water's edge. And looking at the water, I really don't see any fish or minnows or anything like that right now. There's them brown things. I'm not sure what they're called. If you know what they're called, leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what them plants are that have that brown thing on the top of it there. Okay, here's a map of Wildwood Park here. I just crossed the sign. We did walk a mile. It looks like they have some wood ducks, some blue herrings, and a red fox in here somewhere. Okay, here's another trail we're going to take here. I think that will lead us around. This is a Macadam Trail, and then up here's a sign. It looks like it says Wildwood Trail, and it looks like this is 2.1 miles. Susquehanna Spillway, and it looks like this drains into the Susquehanna River. So the spillway is 150 feet long, 10 feet across, and there's a third of a mile tunnel that is 4 foot wide. Lucy enjoying her walk through Wildwood Nature Center here. Sniffing around. She met a couple dogs so far. She got to sniff some of them, and some of them growled at her, so she was a little bit cautious and left her pulled her leash up and try not to let her get near them dogs. So I sure wouldn't want her to get bit or attacked. Right, Lucy? Rudy's a good girl. So a lot of hills on this side over here. A lot of hills. Gets the old heart rate pumping a little bit. There's a couple trails that are nested off of this trail here, and this is called the East Shore Trail. This is 0.09. Not recommended for bikes, but we're going to stay on this this asphalt trail here and make our way up here. Okay, I stumbled across some art here, and this is called gotta zoom up here. Dawn of a New Day. Zoom in on this. There we go. Dawn of a New Day. He wanted to stop here. And we came across some more artwork here. This is Earthly Makeover. There's the earth in the center there, with the moon down there. And it looks like all the different planets. Different planets, and I guess looks like different types of suns. I know that one over there, I think that one over there is Jupiter. And that big blue one is planet Earth. Did a really good job of making a fence to put around it, using some tree branches. This is really not, there is the sun right there, that big red thing. I don't know what I guess these are stars maybe, I don't know. Right, that's a nice piece of artwork here in Wildwood Park. Lucy sure does like smelling the green foliage there. Here called My Broken Heart. All made out of tree branches that were cut, and then they were painted, looks like they were painted pink, and some twines that are painted pink. Some twine back here that's pink, and there's a bench here that's also with this piece of artwork. And I stumbled across some more artwork here. This looks like it says Reimaging Sight and Sound. I don't know if this thing makes... Yeah, I think it does make some sound. Yeah, there's some pine cones there. I guess if it's really windy and it hits that pipe there, will make some sounds. I'd go up. Yeah, there's a couple different rows of pine cones there that I guess, like I said, when it's windy, it hits this pipe-like structure here and probably makes a nice sound. But there is no wind out right now, so it's not making no sound. And not very far down from the pine cones with that that piece of art back there, we come across of another piece of art. It looks like a little teepee that it's made out of some tree branches, and to hold them together, it looks like they had some tree vines to hold it together. And some more artwork here. Looks like it's some bamboo. This is made out of bamboo. I didn't notice any bamboo in here though, but there must be. And that's Finding Focus. Some more artwork here. This looks like a drum. And some more bamboo. It looks like maybe this one here was either vandalized or something, but another piece of artwork here in Wildwood Park. Okay, we're making our going downhill a little bit here, which is a lot better than going uphill. Yeah, this one here you have to sort of pivot your backwards. It's on a rather high incline here. Lucy making her way down. What do we have here? Is this some more artwork, or what is this here? It don't look like it. Looks like it's looks like some sort of trap. Or is it some, yeah, is it some sort of artwork? I'm not really sure. It says growth on it. Sort of looks like a trap of some sort. Okay, let's go up this way here. There's some mud over there. I don't want Lucy to get into that mud. We'll walk over this boardwalk here. Looks like it gets flooded down there when it starts raining. It's like a gully. That's probably why they built this this boardwalk here, because that probably gets flooded when it rains and whatnot here. Okay, which way do we want to go now? Do we want to go that way, or do we want to go this way? I think we're going to go this way. I think we'll go over this way. That goes underneath the interstate, so I don't know. That might be part of the green belt over there. This is a trail that runs through several different municipalities. Okay, this is the Paxton Creek here. And here's a little a little right up on the Paxton Creek here in Wildwood Park. We'll go across the bridge here over the Paxton Creek, or creek. And another Wildwood Park map here showing us that we are right here. I think we were right here earlier, and I believe we started out, I believe, right around here. So we're pretty close to where we started from. Bikes. Let's just walk back this Delta boardwalk here and see if we see any wildlife here. I think we're going to go. Hear the ducks quacking. I think we'll get a better shot of the ducks over here. The water looks pretty clear. I hear a bird chirping, but I don't see it. They're about your size. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. I'll say hi to the other guy.
She wants to get the grass.
That's puppy dog your size. This little girl likes to munch on the grass.
Oh no. Well, there's plenty of it. There's plenty of grass.
More daddy. More daddy. Excited. More daddy. More daddy. Up there.
Did they get tangled?
Come on.
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
That's why I have my. I can't really move it.
Hey, check out. Excuse me. Check out this area back here. It looks like a tornado went through it with the trees that has fallen, and there's trees that are standing. Trees that are leaning on other trees. Okay, we're coming across another body of water here, and also up there. I think that's the the visitor center or the welcome center here at this Wildwood Park. And over on the other side over here, the water's pretty clear. I don't see any type of fish activity or anything like that. No minnows or nothing like that in the water though. And here's another sign. Whose habitat is this? Let me see it. The garter snake, the red-winged blackbird, a mink, a muskrat, raccoons, northern water snake, green frog, red fox, a gray squirrel, and a white-tailed deer. I'll make this our home. And we did not see, didn't see any of the mentioned creatures here in Wildwood Park here as we did our adventure here today. There's that marshland out there again. Sure like to know what they are. Like I said, if you know what these type of water plant or what type of plant this is that has that brown stalk there, put it in a comment and let me know. And we did have to do another 90-degree turn there. At least he turned me around. Looks like they had some water back in here. Up here it looks like we're coming to the end of our adventure here in Wildwood Lake. Okay, that's going to do it for this adventure here in Wildwood Park. Didn't see much wildlife at all. I don't know if it's we came to late there or what, but it sure was a nice walk. Lucy enjoyed her nice walk, but it's time to wrap this video up. So till next time, I will see you on my next adventure. Bye now.